Hey everyone, Charting Man Dan from ChartGuys.com. You know, behind every single video that we put out every single day, there's a wonderful community of traders that we want to invite you to be a part of. Try the free 7-day trial and gain access to our live market broadcasts every morning and afternoon, interact with hundreds of like-minded traders, or take part in one of our dedicated chat rooms, each led by an analyst that's there to answer your questions in real time. Our trial is risk-free with absolutely no commitment or credit card required to experience the TCG community. For those looking for a head start in technical analysis, check out our entries and exits course in the link below in the description. Get up to speed with the fundamentals of TCG technical analysis and experience over 5 hours of great community-driven trading education. Checking in on YELP GWPH PCLN NVDA Tesla daily weekly time frame. So YELP bull showing up after our bull flag of consolidation. 36.16 was resistance. We broke above it and confirmed the bull flag with a higher high. 100 and 200-day moving average resistances are looming at 36.41 and 36.35. Bulls need to get over those levels and close above them to see this bounce continue playing out. We established a new base of support at 35.22. That's a key support level to be keeping an eye on, and we'll see if we can continue this move to the upside. If we break 35.22, we know further consolidation is coming. Otherwise, we're looking up at those moving average resistances. Lining up with those moving average resistances is the weekly middle Bollinger Band of 36.17. Bulls have to close over that level this week in order to show a lot of strength and be on the verge of this bullish MACD cross. Otherwise, we do have to be a bit cautious, as that price or that moving average did reject the price last week. GWPH, hard rejection from the 100-day moving average resistance. That now makes 4 rejections in a row, and now on top of that, the upper Bollinger Band resistance is lining up with it. We did hold the middle Bollinger Band, and after so many rejections from the middle Bollinger Band, holding that level on the back test is a good sign for the bulls, but not going to sugarcoat it. It was a bad day for the bulls. 117.01 is that support. It's continuing to descend. Must get over the 100-day moving average. Personally, I am waiting for this level to become support before looking for a bullish entry, and that is because it is going to line up here with the 20-week, the middle Bollinger Band on the weekly, 120.30. We must confirm the bullish reversal candlestick from last week, and so far we are not doing that. We need to see a turnaround for the bulls and a $3 move to get over these resistance levels and to be looking to confirm this bullish reversal candlestick. PCLN inside bar on the daily time frame today. If we break 1882.96 tomorrow, that's a bull break of that candlestick, and we bounced off the upper Bollinger Band and closed up near the high of the day. The bulls have strong momentum, so we are looking up at that all-time high. Must continue to hold the upper Bollinger Band, or we will look for normal healthy consolidation. FOMC tomorrow for all of these names at 2 p.m. Eastern is going to have a significant short-term reaction, and if it's a bull reaction in the market, we're looking for PCLN to head up towards 1900 psychological resistance. Weekly chart is all bullish. The bears have absolutely no control, and the bulls have absolutely nothing to worry about. Not much to say about this weekly chart. We'll look up at the upper Bollinger Band weekly resistance if we break 1900 psychological. NVDA bearish reaction to the AMD earnings. AMD absolutely collapsed, and NVDA followed along. We lost the 100-day moving average. You can see the big bear volume taking out a couple key support levels in the short term, but overall the bulls really aren't too worried. We do have the 50-day support holding. The middle Bollinger Band is down there. There's a gap at 101.79. Plenty of supports to be watching, and we just need the bulls to establish a new higher low and then try and head back up to continue filling this gap to 107.42. We are rejecting from the middle Bollinger Band on the weekly for the second week in a row, so we do need to be cautious of that as well. 104.98. We'll see if the bulls can recover over the next 3 days to end this week out. If not, definitely want to be more cautious than we would be if this middle Bollinger Band on the weekly were support. Tesla, new all-time high today, but then the bears took over, and it was a lead bear to the downside today. It was very clear that there was some weakness here. So we are closing near the low of the day. We have some bear momentum. If we break 316.56, the key support to maintain these higher lows, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 higher lows, most recent being 307.50. We could pull back $10 and still be forming these higher lows on the daily. We have earnings tomorrow on Tesla. So we have a big day with the FOMC and earnings, and we'll see if we get a bit more profit taking. Look at the upper Bollinger Band on the weekly. It has been rejecting the price the last few attempts, and here we are again. It's going to be a bearish reversal weekly candlestick on a bear reaction to earnings and a bullish reversal new all-time high. Shouldn't say reversal. A new all-time high for the bulls on a bullish reaction. If it is a new all-time high, the resistance level we're looking at is up at 350 and 360 as 2 psychological resistance levels, and we'll see if the bulls are able to close above that upper Bollinger Band on a bullish reaction. So we'll see how it all plays out tomorrow. PCLN is strong, and YELP is strong in the short term as well. GWPH on the verge of breaking back down. Need to see the bulls head back to 120. Appreciate you watching, and we'll check back in tomorrow to see how those Tesla earnings play out.